on, guys? My boy Steven came through. Got his right-hand drive, original Japan hatch. We're gonna do a car review on this thing. Gotta clean it up a little bit. We're gonna do a car review on this thing next. Look how good this thing looks. Sexy. Well, I'm about to head to my dad's garage. Oil pan gasket. Probably change the boots on my axles. I'm gonna take a little cruise on the highway though, guys. So yeah, guys, me and my boy Steven, his name is also Steven. Pretty sure my OG subscribers remember him. He had the blue bubble. It was freshly painted with like the blue, it was like a metallic blue turned purplish. But yeah, he got into an accident with that one or whatever. So now he has this original imported right-hand drive hatch. I want to do a car review on that one next. That car is literally amazing. But yeah, so we're gonna go to my dad's garage. I'm gonna change the oil pan gasket on my car. And probably change the boots for my axles because I know I have two of them that are ripped. And pretty much that's it. And then see what else we get into, guys. So you already know, guys. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. But let's get this motor started, guys. Alright, so we just got to my dad's job. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those pulls. I don't really be doing those pulls because I don't have anybody to record me, but luckily my friend Steve was with me, so recorded it. The car actually sounds really fucking good. I don't really get to hear my car like outside, but it sounds good. But right now I'm letting the car cool down from driving over here. Then we're gonna put it on the lift and do the oil change. I have the oil back here and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. I also have to change, what is it? Whatever this sticker is right here. I gotta change it too. I forgot about this. You got like a bag? Daddy? That girdle. Is it here? Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this baffled.
Yeah, it is.
Seems clean.
It's clean.
And I could see my rods and everything from right here. She's nice and golden. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it though.
Yeah, it's closed. But it's mint though.
So and I'm just cleaning underneath the motor because as you can see there's a lot of gasket still on it. So I want to make sure I take all of this out, clean it, put the new gasket, put some RTV on it. And besides that, as you can see, the motor's pretty good.
Oye, Papa Fry.
Not the motor's pretty good. Catch up, I mean the pickup is pretty clean. I can see the rods and everything. Everything seems legit. So that's a plus. Just cleaning the girdle a little bit. Make it nice and clean. Take all that residue, all the oil out. Nice and clean. oil pan looks brand new. Cleaned it up nice and clean. I'd rather blow it inside. Take all of the stuff out. Right, you know? Cleaning the bolts with some gasoline. So I know I'm going a little extra mile cleaning the bolts, but gotta make everything look good. Am I zoomed in? There you go. But yeah, I just want to make sure the bolts are nice and clean. I don't know, I'm just real picky. I'm gonna get some RTV right now so I can put some on the oil pan just to be sure, just in case, because I don't want no leaks or nothing. So I'm gonna look for that, put that on, and then we're gonna probably just move on to the axles to take off the boot. Hopefully, maybe. I have my other friend Drew coming over too right now, so should be a pretty fun day.
Yeah.
Have some.
City Island, ¿no? Don Iron City. Va a ser carne asada. Chacho, yo no voy para allá. Que venga la carne aquí, sale en supermercado, control remoto, que llega a los sitios.
So we just took off my drain plug because it's like leaking, so we took it off to tighten a little bit more on both sides. I have vibrant lines at home that I have on my car now for the breather box, but I have some extra at the house. I'm gonna probably next week bring the vibrant one and just use the vibrant one because this one's like I don't really like it. But we tighten a little bit more. We're gonna put some Teflon on the other side, and hopefully it should stop the leak. Gonna put some Teflon up here on that one. Hopefully it'll stop the leak because it's leaking from in here. Hopefully it'll fix it. So we put some Teflon on this one. We're gonna do the same to the other ones right now, and hopefully we should be good. My boy Drew is looking for the address. Can't find us.
Yo, bro, yo. We're all the way up here, but my phone sent them down here.
Damn, we sorry, Drew.
He's like half an hour away.
Yo, he already drove what? He already drove like 30 minutes over here. Well, trying to get over here, he just drove 30 minutes across Queens. So now he gotta drive like another 30 minutes to the right location.
Yo, he's fucked.
Oh, what he said? What did
Nigga said, yo, fuck that, I'm going home. I'm like, I hate you, I swear.
For real, he said that. So put some Teflon on that one also. Now I gotta put the rest of the other ones on. Yeah, you gotta make sure it turns this way.
Yo, Steven, you bought them like that,
Yeah,
already made?
perfect.
Or you made them yourself? Ooh, who that? Who's that? Oh, Drewski? Little Drewski?
That's why I don't like these wheels. I want to get rid of them.
Man, Drew got the winter mode. Got the winter mode.
Oh, winter mode, yeah.
It's not winter.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. There's different rims. Like, they have one, like the actual rim. It's like this.
Filled it up with some oil. I'm gonna turn it on real quick. Let the oil circulate. That's tight. About to change the boot out, but this axle has always given us a problem. So hopefully this thing comes out, because we've always had problem with this axle, like breaking the socket off. So hopefully it works. If not, then I don't know what I'm doing. But I need to replace the boot, because the boot is kind of ripped. But hopefully it comes out. This is the boot. This is the boot we're gonna change right here. It's literally ripped to shit. So we're gonna change that one out. The other ones are, and they're okay. They're not that bad. So for right now, just to be safe, we're just gonna replace this one because it's pretty bad. That looks disgusting. So we're gonna change it right now.
And he swings it.
This one is crazy.
What? Up front on which side? Both of them.
Ready?
I think it's a
Placing the boot.
Casi sé que yo como mucho y después me lo ponía. Ahora, ¿cuál es la bota esta? Esta, ¿por dónde va? A ver, por darle vuelta por todo. En lo que el monta ese, vete quitando el otro lado.
Este lado.
Put the new boot on. It looks super good now compared to what it was before. Alright, the car's all finished. About to head home. Car looking good. Alright, the car's all finished. I'm about to head home. I'm gonna drive with my man Steven back home. My dad's gonna come back to my house to eat some. Oh shit! My dad's gonna come back to my house. My girl's making some food, but the car's all finished. Got the axle replaced, oil pan gasket. Should be good. So I'm gonna take a little cruise home and close out the video when I get home, guys. This guy's taking pictures of his car because he's never seen a right-hand drive Civic. My boy clean though. Look how clean that is. Woo! He's on stock suspension if you guys are wondering. Well, not stock suspension, but he's on suspension, but he just put it on stock high because it's winter time. He's gonna put his regular masters and stuff on probably when it gets warmer. Got a lot of plans for this car. Take a picture of mine. All right, guys, I'm back home. That's my little baby, a little big girl. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. The video might be a little bit too short. I'm not too sure yet because I haven't got to edit it yet. But yeah, I got the oil pan gasket done. My dad basically rebuilt my axle. I don't know how to really, mess with. I mean, obviously I know how to take out axles and all of that. But he literally stripped the axle down to like everything. He took everything out. The CV joint took everything out. My dad hooked it up, him and his worker. Shout out to my boy Steven for coming over today, and he didn't really have anything planned, so he came over to look at at my steering wheel, my shifter. It's first time seeing my daughter. And then I was like, you know what, just come with me. Let's just, have a chill day at my dad's garage. Which was a pretty awesome day for me and for him and for everybody else that was over there. So yes, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, guys, peace. Oh, let's not forget, 7K giveaway, Beats X. You could be a lucky winner and win these Beats. Oh yeah, and another thing, a lot of people have been asking me about Hulu's car. I know whoever has me on Instagram has seen that I posted up Julio's car being crushed. Julio has posted up also. Long story short, Julio got into a car accident. Julio got into a car accident on Christmas Eve with Soupy. Basically, somebody cut him off. Somebody cut off Soupy. Soupy's brake lights weren't working. Julio didn't realize, so when he pressed the brakes, it was too late. Julio crashed into Soupy. Soupy's car was completely totaled. Julio's rat support got broken. Julio's rat support broke. Timing belt broke. The chassis was bent. Whole bunch of stuff. So Julio was trying to fix it little by little. So he parked it on Soupy's block. Took the plates off, obviously, because he can't move it, so they won't give him tickets. One of his friends lent him a car, so Julio put the plates on the car just to drive around because he needed to get from point A to point B. So somebody lent him one of his friends one of our friends lent him a car. So basically, the New York City people, whatever, came around, booted the red car because they obviously saw that they saw that the plates weren't from the car. So they took that car, they got it impounded, so he had to pay like $1,100 from tickets and then the car being there, whatever. So the worst thing is that since his car was sitting there with no plates, they saw that. Sanitation came around, saw Julio's car, and took it. So they brought it to they brought it to like a junkyard or something like that. They brought it somewhere. Then Julio found out that they brought it to the junkyard, and then by the time he got there, the car was already crushed. They had already crushed the car. The fucking people from the junkyard actually stole his music and lied to him in his face and said that no, that we didn't take it or whatever. Julio knows that they took it. Like, you can't really do nothing about it because they're gonna say that they didn't take it. So either way, you lose. So he was able to take off his hood, his steering wheel, his suspension, and his rack and pinion that he just put in that was brand new. He's actually selling some stuff now. We have him on Instagram. You can check it out. But yeah, guys, that's what happened to his car. I know a lot of people ask me if we got into a car accident. No, God forbid, we didn't get into a car accident. But his car got taken because of sanitation because he didn't have his plates. So right now, Julio doesn't have a car, but bigger and better things are coming. He's gonna get another car. We're gonna look for something, better. Obviously a 4-door because he loves 4-door. But yeah, guys, so that's what happened to Julio's 4-door. Subscribe, baby.
Bouncing, 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 bouncing like a mustard be. I still think about you even though we never speak. I've been down a bumpy road, so I got me a Jeep.